Let's go, sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Siblings Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
And me. They see me rolling. Tamzubela, Jan Yamajan, Hodman,
What are you,
Mzukwana, Mzuberisto,
what are you rolling?
Zooks. Hmm?
What are you rolling?
I'm rolling through life, man. That's what's happening. I'm just rolling through life.
It seems so.
I have decided.
What were you doing before?
Enough stress. I was stressing. I was stressing, trying to control things that I can't control, trying to reinvent the wheel. Now, my man, whatever happens, happens. I must just try my best. That's all.
Weren't you doing that anyway?
No. I wasn't trying my best. I was being a bad advert for Christianity.
I know.
What?
Kanjani.
By being lazy
To do what?
and praying small prayers. Huh? That God wasn't even answering or considering because they were too small. Because I didn't want to work. Yo. Mm-mm. But anyways,
So then, how did we get here?
how did we get where?
To where you are now?
Hey, you
Just-
know, I reached a place where I got to a sermon.
Yeah.
And that sermon spoke to my heart. And it said to me, my man, what, you are cheating yourself out of life
Okay.
and the experience of life.
Mm.
Why? Because we want to sleep more. So yeah, it was a big revelation to my mind.
Okay.
No, I've said a lot of things
Yes.
in the past minute or so.
Yes.
But yeah, other than that, yeah, you know, we keep going. I feel like I'm in a therapy room. My week was fantastic.
Oh, really?
Oh yes.
Why?
So the laptop and all that I use, right?
Oh.
And I've been using it for the past couple of years. I've probably had that laptop now for like way over like 7 years.
Mm.
But I got 2013.
Okay.
Then I found a guy who was selling a laptop. And then he sold me that laptop. And I was just like, grudge purchase
Mm.
because I had to.
Mm.
I had to now get another laptop,
Mm.
right? Because even like when I was downloading episodes, so we get the episode, I download the episode, I then need to upload it into our various platforms. One of them being Spotify, where the episodes come out early every single week. On Tuesday, you will get this episode on Spotify. If you ain't getting it on Tuesday on Spotify, I don't know what you're doing. But anyways, so, and then memory full, delete, and now you must remember now, this is coming at a place where I have to delete things on my phone already. Now I have to delete things on my laptop. So, I'm crashing out, right? So, if my out in Yanis and I laptop, and I'm just like, wow, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, yeah, and then I'm sad. And then I get into the app, yabo. Hey, ubake, ndizawungena ku-credit. Uba ndizayibuyisa uphela kwenyanga though.
Into on Shom.
Le mali benzayispenda kaloku. Benzaspenda imali from my credit card.
Yeah. Oh, blessings. Oh,
So I was gonna spend money for my credit card, but my month end, this is our penis car, yabo.
yeah.
And then I was gonna be short again. Wah! But ke lobolani. So
Some shorter book for the rest of your life.
no. So
That's what it sounds
something
like.
magical happened.
Oh, okay.
So cool. I then did that, and then andikuphi phone number ndizobhatala le chap. And see it. How? Hey, balance healthy.
Oh.
Nditheli ndibhatalwe nguSARS, ndifumene imali back kuSARS. And I was like, oh man. And I didn't even know how long that money had been sitting there, but I'm imagining maybe it was a day or two or the same day. And I was just like, this is awesome, man, you're rich. And then that was really cool. So that made me, I guess, enjoy that laptop even more.
Oh, okay.
And now I'm just like excited. Now I'm figuring things out. I'm like chilling, like
Okay, cool.
yeah. So it's been a pretty chill week. Otherwise,
Okay.
Yeah,
so.
Yakwazi ke xa ungalindi nobuzo. Noma sakubuza ke ngoba isemthana wena isithini.
Akho nto ingako fonini, akho nto caba. I mean, we've had like quite a lot of like family infused things happen in the past like 3 weeks, which has been really nice.
Okay.
And so this weekend there wasn't one, and I was like,
Oh really?
yeah, I was like, I miss those people. But I also had something to do this weekend, so I wouldn't have been
I was like, I miss these people because I just realized, well, for the past 2 to 3 weeks, bekubakho imibeko. Utya umbeko yo till Thursday. Now, fridge clean, akhona umbeko yi-1. Now it's just like, oh man,
back
what?
to square one.
Silapha
The
ngoku.
thing is though about imibeko is like, how long should it actually sit in the fridge until inoke, until it's in?
Until uyigqibe.
So if it takes a week,
Hayibo, how slow are you?
Ukutya.
Uthi wena kutheni uphake kangaka? Uphaka umbeko weveki. Are you joking?
No, but like sometimes you're like, okay, andifuna umbeko wangomso namhlanje, andibaweli.
Andisakuthandi
No,
wena
kaloku mhlawumbi uzobawela ngomso.
Uzawubawela. That is so cheese girl of you. Uzawubawela. Tanithi utya into ozibawelayo wena. Wow. What a luxury.
No, andityi into endizibawelayo. Also, when you like have to eat dinner, for instance, do you say, yazi ndibawela into ethile namhlanje?
No.
Wenza ntoni?
Foni ndiyatshekisha foni uba okay kondoni. Then bonbo okay. Oh okay, inantsi macaroni khona. No brainer ke ngokuba funenge ndikhangela ipilshati. Yabo ne-coupons. No brainer. Because what else do you eat macaroni with? Nothing. I'm not going to make a casserole, please. Anzokwenza lanyaza. No, spaghetti Edmonds.
Oh, you can have macaroni.
Oh, macaroni yabaleka wena. And usithi macaroni then uthi mince yodwa. But hi, it's such a whack thing.
So I'm saying this because Utata's always like, he obviously has a fridge, but like he never uses it because uthi uyazilibala izinto xa ezifake.
That's like Regine. How do you say it?
But then he's also like, yeah, kodwa awuzazi noba zibola nini izinto because oko zihle lapha.
True.
Yes, which I
But
also...
aziboli kaloku. The temperature of the fridge keeps them from boiling. That's what happens. Or it significantly slows down the process. Inyana libolisa izinto kububushushu.
Okay, fine, sure. But if after you've ihle into ihleli pha and ayinuki ngathi ibolile, ayikho right.
Bangene nona yam. And ayikho brown ayithenanga ina nix.
But also the coldness also prevents it from smelling.
And because what causes it to smell?
The heat.
No.
The age.
Yes. The age causes it to smell bacteria. Now, every gene ayikho la bacteria. So then your thing is not aging. It's as I said, it's like significantly reduces the aging process. Yabo, mhlambi if babi ngumntu, you understand? Like when if like okay, babi ndim. Ba bendihlala efridgini. Mhlambi ngendina 32. You understand?
Oh, okay.
But because ke ngena ndiphuma ke aircon namalanga. Nangu 40 on the rise. Actually, I can't explain everything.
No! Fine, I'll never ask you to explain anything again, which means Pelili podcast.
Come on.
Because it's so teen.
The podcast is not me explaining things though.
No, because I'm like, what do you
talk a lot.
mean?
I ndiyathetha kakhulu. Ne? But I mean, it's whatever, it is what it is.
I guess.
Yeah. So it's very helpful. And you need therapy. Because I say a lot here, hey.
Just because you say a lot, it doesn't mean bad.
But I say a lot of things that I think in my process. I think a lot of the time it's not just I saw small talk. You understand?
No.
It's things that are for me become thought provoking, and I solve a lot of problems, and I get through a lot of
yourself,
work. Yeah, no, absolutely. I definitely get through a lot of work, which I think is really cool, and something that I didn't realize up until like recently, where I was just listening. Sure, there's a lot of banter and jokes in between, but like when I was listening to one of the episodes, and I was just like, oh, yeah, man, and I solve a problem, and then it definitely helps. It definitely helps me to be able to think clearer. It definitely helps me to be able to articulate myself better. That's what I've realized. Well, I mean, I still say I'm a lot, but...
And I say like a lot.
Oh, really?
Yes!
That's your favorite word?
Oh my gosh!
I'm like...
I'm like, baby girl.
Oh,
no. Because also la nto ithatha ngomuntu onganawo amazwi enough osebenzisa.
Ewe.
Andinawo.
Unawo? Ndiyabuza kaloku if you're saying umuntu osebenzisa ulike ngumuntu ongenamazwi amaninzi usebenzisa ulike, I'm just drawing the lines
No,
here.
I'm sure ndinawo.
I'm sure ke ngumuntu ongumXhosa. Usually means ba andinawo. Exactly xa ngizoxela wena lona ndipowi. Are you joking?
I'm sure it's not. Oh, no, you're right. I'm sure. Sure. I don't know, but I mean, that's what I think it is. But I also feel like the overconsumption of mhlawumbe into endizimamelayo ezinolike abaninzi and zikhona ezininzi.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What kind of stuff is that?
It's stuff on TikTok.
Oh.
Yeah. As a result, and so like I'm so over it. I'm just like,
Really?
what is this doing to my brain?
Yeah, ik vrij, Shani.
Yeah, we are fried, and I feel fried.
So? Oh man, I need to stop this thing. Soloko mna ndifuna
Solution.
What are we saying? What are we saying?
I don't know. I need to like get off it.
Okay. So what are you gonna? So you can't just leave a habit. A habit is replaced.
No, who said anything about replacing?
What do you mean?
Who said anything about
You
replacing?
have to replace it. If you hear out TikTok, you must replace it with something. And if TikTok was something that you were consuming in the form of a habit, you must replace it with something.
I'll replace it with reading.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. But was I replace her with reading? Because you used to like reading.
I did.
In novel.
Danielle Steele.
Hey, wait, let me show you. This book is called The Hardy Boys. Frank and Joe Hardy. You see, I even know who they are.
That stuff.
I used to hate reading. And I'm there to reading.
No, sweet very high. And so, yeah, I just ran through a book recently, and I was like, oh, I can still do this.
Nice.
Yeah, so
What did you read?
Eh?
What did you read?
It's a book called Everything Is Not Enough.
Okay. But what kind of a read is it?
It's a novel story.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. And I guess that's similar to watching a movie without the pictures.
Yeah, but watching a movie so passive also.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. But I'm just saying in terms of like content. Yes, when you're reading a book, it's more, you have to imagine more because now in a picture like a
Yeah,
but then it's still a story.
Sure.
So that's what I'm saying. My likeness,
Sure. But then you're also seeing words that you might not know, putting them in context of these sentences, learning in that way, and obviously not actively learning, but just going, oh, okay, inobitata lendo. And, you know.
Yeah, Tibani.
You're doing
a lot of work in the background, actually.
You do a lot
of
work, 100%. So, I'm not ready for it, bro, because life is also long.
Yo, Nangame, life is long and
Eh,
sekula, bruh. And this is the
eh.
thing. The less unfit your mind is, the quicker it deteriorates. That's the thing.
And this is the thing.
That's the whole
and it feels like it's deteriorating. Like the amount, like I forget people's names all the time. And I'm like, oh. And this was Zobanjan, under 45.
No, I'm going at 55. Yeah, no, dog. I think that's very, very, very important.
Yeah, no. And I believe it's not the greatest thing for us to be doing so much of.
I'm glad that it's scaring you in the direction of changing it more than scaring you into freezing mode.
No.
You understand? I'm super stoked. So you see, now that's another thing.
No, for instance, but I like turning pages.
Okay. How to make friends and influence people. Huh? The greatest salesman in Babylon.
What is food?
Rich dad. Poor dad. Yeah, Eva. I was funny. Okay. Funny novels. Why not self-help books?
Because I want to retrain my reading muscle first with things I actually 100% enjoy. Yes.
Okay.
And then ukufunda kuzaba ukufunda ke ngoku, you know. Then in between ofako rich dad abo. What?
Okay. Niggas funda incwadi, man. Niggas identify incwadi esayifunda zethu. I've always been super intrigued about like what happens at book clubs. Because I'm just like, what happens at book clubs? Uthini kwayo?
Bahela party bisithi, how did that make you feel when ubucinga ntoni ngala character?
I don't know. Now these are thoughts is deep. I feel like I don't have like those deep thoughts, but you know, I can imagine what they were going. And I guess it's because of the kind of material that I read. I don't need to.
Awufunda is novel. Ufunda into 1+1 wento.
Yeah,
exactly.
I beat myself up over it. Zooks, come on, you can do
come
better.
On, it's my week, Joe.
Yeah. Fair. I've always been intrigued by book clubs, and like how they work and and I think maybe it's something that I'm maybe making these I've always been intimidated because I've been on my dick. I guess I'm here next week. Oh my God, but you. But yeah, anyways, that's just me. We're weird as human beings. Like we're afraid of like different things and weird things. Absolutely weird things. So
okay. Shall we get into the causes of it all?
The causes of it all.
Dog. Achamadama namanzi. It's a good one. It's a great one.
It is a good one.
Achamadama namanzi.
Okay, fine. Let's try to break it down. So, if idama linamanzi lichile, it means that the water is not there anymore.
Ukucha kwedama.
Yes. Ba-empty, yes. And I hear this all the time in that guy's thing.
Hanana.
Because to me, it's like is what it should be in my head.
Etc.
Yes, isn't that not?
Oh, okay. Kayithathe in context ke. Yabo. Ba ke uThalita wayepholile ephila ulife spenda imali splasher tin galamsebe ngala ndoda wayenayo and then ke ngoku ngenye imini acha madama namanzi.
Then things went wrong. Yeah.
Then, you understand?
Yeah, wavela
lahliwe ngoku endabela ehlala estradweni.
Oh, okay.
Yabo.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so I take it as kind of things turning for the worst or things getting bad. Ngigqibile phone one jonga ndizofuna ngigqibile. So things turning for the worst.
Okay.
Yeah. Took a
Doctor.
sharp care.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
took
okay.
a dark turn. Yeah, but a turn for the worst, not for the better.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I can't believe that.
The waters ran dry.
Yeah, for sure.
Zakala.
Yeah, Zakala.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well done.
So yeah, that's
Did
what
you
I
just think
figure
of that now?
No, I thought about it actually during the week and I wrote it down. But the funniest thing is that whenever I write things down, I always remember them. But then when I don't write them down, I just liban. So yona ndibhalile actually in my phone to actually chat about it based on that song.
I wanted to ask you something, and I don't know if it's like too much, but I feel like are you too much anymore?
Okay.
Why are you looking around?
I'm listening.
But it also is putting me on the spot, so I'm also like,
Cool, I love it. Let's go.
because you thought it was putting you on the spot. How did you feel?
Oh. What?
Well, I'm not going to ask you with that attitude.
I must have got feelings.
What
I
did
hate
you
having
think?
deep, meaningful conversations.
Do you?
No, it's my favorite thing.
Exactly. Or what did you think when I stopped going to church?
Woo! What did I think?
Yeah.
Of what? Of you?
Of the situation.
Yo, I was worried, concerned. Because I didn't understand and I didn't know why, and I still don't.
Because you never asked me.
Yeah, wow, Talita.
Yeah.
Often because I'm just like I don't know what I'm gonna. I don't. Obviously, in your because I think there's an answer that you're going to give me, right? And maybe in my subconscious mind, I'm like I might not be able to handle that answer. Can you handle the truth? And that's what makes me not ask you. But also, I think me having a strong opinion about the church thing, and I also think there's an underlying fear that maybe I'm asking and because I'm assuming buses will pick son.
No.
But I'm just gonna be like, what do you mean, bro? No, hold on. What do you mean? You understand? And then maybe you might tell me, I don't know. Yeah, it's a lot of
too many
it's a lot of projection as well. Simply because diasm for a while. And I know why and I guy.
Oh, yeah, because I'm done.
Dayekiswa abantu asusa amehlo emnqamlezweni.
Bajonga abahlali.
Bajonga abahlali.
Abesenza ntoni
abahlali? They were peopling, ngebona.
Doing their thing.
People were being themselves.
Yes.
And that hurt me to no end. Yandi kubekisa londo leyo, because I was just
why?
like,
Because it's people you look up to supposed to be better than what they were being.
Siyongonzweni fonini ngama-Kristu la, you understand? And them being ngama-Kristu, there's no way that you, like, what are you even saying? You understand? About uthi ungumKristu but wenza liwe, you understand? And I couldn't reconcile that. Ndandingakwazi uyireconcile londo leyo mna ba. No man, but umhle abo nxibe isuti but inhliziyo emnyama khutse ngathi zezizitulo nezi-outfits zethu. And that made me then be like, ndiyayiqhwaba mna. Up until I got the smack in the face that, dog,
These are humans.
bruh, and also kudala ithethwa lento leyo bantangam amehlo akho waphosa emnqamlezweni. Wena uwaphosa apha ezinyoka, inyoka zidila ngawe ke zona. Ibe the thing is, and also the other thing is, for me, it was also a matter of, because I realized at that moment that I'd never really made a personal choice.
Because
Because
you grew up doing this thing.
because I grew up doing this
Yeah.
thing, and and it also hit me in the face to say, but nanga, khawukhustane, because nangoku ityholo lakho uzimela ngabahlali. Ba abahlali but uthini wena? Wena, what are you choosing? Well, like what's your choice and what's your decision? Umephi wena? And then I realized ukuthi wow, awumanga ndawo. You know what I mean? And ungami ndawo kwakho, it's risky. Sengenzeka noma yini. You understand? And also I think me just getting then saying, okay, cool, let me look at this thing in a certain way. And once I started looking at it in a certain way, I started looking at it in a way that made sense to me. So I started doing my own research and my own trying to find the answers and my whys and my why nots. And it got me there. And I think maybe possibly also in me getting there, I don't think anyone could have.
But yourself, yeah.
I don't think anyone could have gotten me there via talking to me or, us. I was just like, maybe that's Taiwanese actually. So man, belintule la. Ilongomthandazo kwamhlawumbe andazi uthetha or something. Which is really sad. Because it's also like, I tell you that darkly when because now I'm asking myself the question, what do you even care then?
About?
If I didn't ask you, do I even care about you? Yeah. Yeah, not lekker.
I don't think it would get there.
I mean, Talita, we are on episode 94. You ought to know by now about Ngabuzba. Notice and then it's gonna get there, but I think I hate you. Oh, not I think I hate you, but like it'll get somewhere deep. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't even remember what your original question was. What did I think? Yeah, man. It's just one of those things, man. Of I don't know if I thought anything. I think everything around it rather just made me kind of block out what my thoughts were because of thinking about, okay, but if I do this, then this might happen. If I do this, this might happen. Sure, I'm sitting here and I'm just like, oh, I'm sad, man. It's sad because I know I was very happy when you were just like, I was just like, oh, that's so cool. I mean, I haven't even invited you to church ever.
I know, which I think is weird as well.
But yeah, because I also just don't want to. Oh man,
that's very understandable as well.
Yeah, but it's poor, man. It's poor. Poor nangam. Poor. Ndifumene indlela. I've struck a gold mine, and we were working together in this gold mine, and I've struck a gold mine, and it's so valuable, and I'm extracting so much value, and I'm okay with not wanting to include you. It's giving pretense. It's giving.
What's the gold mine?
The gold mine is God.
Okay.
Church.
Yeah, but I know God. I know church.
But you don't believe in it? Hey, Talita.
Yeah, but now you're saying.
So to me, and he's told. I'm joking. Oh no, I'm joking. I'm joking. Hey.
Excuse me. So, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, but also, I think it's just also so complicated for me as well. Even now, like, it's getting a little less complicated in my head. But I think at the time, I also felt like this was a choice I hadn't made.
Sure.
Honestly, it was just like,
Yeah.
I'm doing this all the time, but
Uzalelwe vestry kaloku.
exactly.
Tamkhulu wakho ngumfundisi.
Yes, and we're taught that, we should be lucky to be born in this situation because abanye abantu abamazi nomazi uYesu, abamazi uThixo, and their lives aren't whatever it is. But Tina, we're in a better position for knowing izinto and being able to then make the choices whether we want the things or not. But after not ever having made that choice, and then coupled with, like, I really have a big problem with seeing how people suffer in the presence of God. Like that kills me most than anything like that.
Okay.
More than anything. Where I'm just like, okay, so I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna go divase ndinxibe impahla yam enhle and then ndihambe then I'm gonna go and praise God and give thanks and then I'm gonna come back and drive past some starving human beings kwi-situations abangafuni uba kuzo, and ngizofuna ngabantu abadutyulwa okokoko abaphethwe kakubi. And I know it's not God's fault, but I also just like, in your presence, like ukhona nduwethu. And I think that's probably been the biggest overshadowing thing for me when it comes to religion specifically. Which is not a great thing because I've had these conversations with a lot of people and everyone's got really good points to kind of steer me away from that thought process. Doesn't help me not feel that way though.
Sure.
Because I can understand the logic in what somebody says, but then when it comes to how I feel, it doesn't change. That logic, understanding that logic doesn't change how I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And possibly, do you know a reason why? Possibly.
No, I don't. I just need an answer. Like, why sizohlupheka ukhona?
Okay. So if baba bebengahlupheki buzohamkela.
I feel I'd feel better about doing it.
I think something very important that we kind of haven't touched on then in that case becomes, and you mentioned it just like myself to say, but you feel like you hadn't made a decision, right? And still having made the decision, but okay, and these will participate kule way. That also then, like, so for example, for me, what kind of changed things a little bit as well was having that, or opening myself up to the personal relationship, right? Because now what you're saying is that what you hadn't made the decision, what drove you away was seeing what's happening out there. Similar to me, what drove me away was seeing what's happening in here.
Nabahlali ke, obviously, yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
And at for me, the challenge was I'd never then looked to what is this relationship. I'd never looked into that relationship. I was looking I was looking outside. Which I think maybe is kind of similar to, because to you as well, you're still looking outside. You're still looking outside. And perhaps not looking at your personal relationship, what's happening with you, how things are going in your life, for example, right? How certain things are just like, wow, yo, man, this is just not me. Like, this is just like blessings on blessings.
Yeah.
I'm blessed. There's a higher power, and I'm blessed enough to be a part of whatever people that are benefiting from that or able to benefit. That helps give me hope. No. And then that being part of the personal relationship outside of you.
Sure.
Yeah. So it being about you. And as human beings generally, I suppose a lot of us are very much about things that happen outside of us, which is not us. and that sometimes is can drive us in the wrong direction as well. So I think I often joke, Niti, I've tried everything else. Now I thought, let me try Jesus. I find that the funniest thing because I always feel like that's, for me, that has proven to always be the long way around instead of trying it first. Ndandigamfuni Yesu, but ndandingayifuni inkonzo, but I'd never tried Jesus. Funny, the funniest thing, man. Ngoku ndithi ndize kuye, but I'd never tried it. I knew nothing. Sure, ngacengceleza verse, tin, but I never even looked at the possibility of starting a relationship.
Yeah, your own.
Never gave it a chance at all. Instead, I was quick to find every reason not to.
Yeah. Well, understandably enough, also though, because of how it just seems easier to try him in a group. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, which doesn't help us.
Yeah, for sure. But to go to church and join Mama Lady and dun, you're doing all of these things in groups, right? And there's not too much placed on you to discover or whatever, because it's just easier to wenza izinto with people who believe in the same thing as you.
But just like anything else that I suppose we do and we succeed in, any of it, most of the work is done in solitude. Anyways, whether that's performing emsebenzini, whether that's performing physically in the gym, whether all of that, we don't count how church can be once a week. Most of the work is done. And you have to put that on because no one is checking your homework. It's easy to perform because you're performing for a very short time. But at some point, we need to also start putting it on ourselves. Which irresponsibility ikuthi.
Sure.
Iba ku irresponsibility. You can't, because it ubomi bobakho, in the way that things happen. It's decisions. It's also linked to decisions that you make. So it sits squarely with you, and we can't hide behind the group.
For sure.
Yeah.
Then you ask yourself the question then as well, or I've asked myself the question about, because I was brought up into a very specific denomination, if I wanted to still go to church and do everything but denze kwenye denomination, would that be a big issue?
I can't tell you. I don't know.
I feel like it
big
would.
Issue to who? A bigger issue than you not going to church? So because you're thinking of a smaller issue, you would rather balls to the wall. Let's go.
No, I mean,
that's what I'm saying.
I have a lot of reasons, and each one of them has their own.
A lot of reasons of running away from seeing if you want to build the personal relationship. Because none of your reasons have got something to do with the personal relationship. Why have you ever thought of why you are so opposed to the personal relationship?
No, because I'm not thinking I'm opposed to a personal relationship.
But you're not pursuing it.
No.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you're opposed to it just because you're not pursuing it.
I mean, it's kind of like one of those, but even no, you not making a choice is a choice. It's one of those. You not choosing something is you choosing something.
Sure.
Yeah.
Choosing not to choose something.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it is. It then does become a decision. And it's the whole adulting thing. That's what it is. It's the whole personal responsibility thing. But a lot of things, if not most, if not all, we choose. How we think Tina by sitting on the fence or by playing. But now the ball yakhatywa but mna ndikhaba ibhola but usebaleni. Asibanjwa thina mabekhaba ibhola zobanjwa sonke. Ayigubhe sokhwela evenini. Sokhwela evankini.
For sure. I remember having the conversation with the parents, obviously, because I felt like it was important to have this conversation it's a hurtful conversation to have with your parents, especially when they are like, Abu, what happened? Nothing. Okay. And now I just also feel like, cause like they khumbula inkosi like khumbula uya ndiyocula, you know, like
Yeah.
that's why I went the other day. Cause I was like, yo, ngaske ndiyocula enkonzweni, like ngikhumbula church hymnal, yayiva. But then when I was there, I was like, yeah, abahlali bayadistractor for real.
Yeah,
my
wahlali
gosh.
bastoto.
Oh my word,
Come on.
so much.
Yeah, fanini kusesibhedlele pha, ne?
What you
Now what we do is because ulele eca wena uphawu nenhloko, ulele eca komntu wena ubambe amathumbu, then you get grossed out by that and then you want to leave. Sesibhedlele pha and uyele ntoni? Le yakho oyeleyo wena.
uyijonge yabani.
Yimyeka umzubhela yena ba umzubhela watyiwa yintontoni kwathi iplate kamzubhela yena ufumene icustard mna ndifumena got a sugar in your body wena, that's why ungafumenanga custard, ufumana into wena
Oyinidayo.
jonga eyakho into and nansi nesibethayo abahlali will distract you for sure, big facts.
But that's not what you're there for.
This is the whole thing.
But you are there for fellowship, right?
Yeah.
Which is praising with abahlali.
Yeah.
And so if those people are a distraction to you as well, what is the genuineness of your participation in your distraction?
Look, I mean, it just depends. And I think sometimes doesn't it also depend sometimes on how focused you are on certain things, on what it is that you're there for? It depends on how focused you are on that and how zeroed in you are on that. That will make certain things, because in certain, like, you're driving around and you can, and I'm sure, I don't know about you, but for me, I've certainly been in a place whereby I've been driving a lot of people's cars around me. Ne? Kondisemotweni yam, cha ndiqhuba neyalo nalo semva kwam, nangam, and then ngaske ndingaqhubi. Up until I started driving my own car and started really being like intent on, okay, cool, zeroed in on, okay, cool, this is what my experience is, and this is what I can control. Then I'm going to try and control that by all means. What does that mean? What does that look like? It looks like me idlala umculo wami ndenza happy, ndithintini ndenza yonke loo nto leyo to try and improve my experience and help me focus on that. And it looked like that. Like for me, when it came to church as well, it looked like, at a point, it looked like me going to church. Like say, ndifike church, ndifike isandoqala ichurch, ndifike ndihlale echurch, ndiyenze loo nto yenziwayo, ndithi xa iphuma ichurch, ndibulisa umfundisi, kweli moto yam ndiyibethe. So all in trying to protect my peace, because ndiyazi uba what brings me non-opposite ye-peace, big peace.
Chaos.
Yes, what brings me chaos, or what brings chaos to my mind. And trying to protect that, because there's definitely something that I do get when I'm there and I'm fellowshipping and get tandas that I don't get sometimes when I'm watching online. Yabo? Because now for me, online uphinda be distraction. Because phakama ndisefridge lapha, you understand? Ngapha ndicofa phone because I can't control myself. You know what I mean? And certain things like that. At least in Ngoku, it's me being also in the church environment gives me certain parameters of things that I also need to tell myself, because I come to that super sudlala ngefoni ke cha ke namfle ndizibambile ba ningadlali ngefoni ke. But endlini it's a million times harder. So it's a lot of choices from our side. It's a lot of choices from our side, choices that we make and choices that we don't make. But by the choices that we don't make, we are certainly making choices as well. And we're either taking away or adding to our experience. in a good or negative way.
And so the thing is, I've felt bad about it for long, but not bad enough to go back. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think just bad for the people around me, not even bad for myself. Bad for
Tina Band, Baba Tina
you,
Band.
bad for mom, bad for dad, bad for, whoever. But they're probably going, oh, yini nalomdana. Ngaskabuyele or whatever. And I'm sure a lot of prayers have been brought up on my behalf as well. But it hasn't made me feel bad enough to go for that.
I don't think you should be feeling. I don't think you'll ever feel bad enough.
No, I don't think so either, because I enzeki.
Yeah, because I mean, if you're waiting for a feeling, you might not get there.
No, for sure. But also, it's just a strange place to be, because I have like so much Christian guilt, like all the time, where I'm just like, oh, I should be doing this, but andiyenzi. But there's nothing compelling me to do it either. Like, I never wake up and go, oh, negendiye. And if I do go back, I want to go back on my own volition, because I've made that decision, not because bani kudalen invite okanye ubani uyangicela bandiye or whatever, because that's how I was going in the first place, because I wasn't making a decision. I was just going because that's what we do. And I want it to be my own decision, but I also feel like now it's taking long for me to make this decision. And I don't know if that's...
What's the decision that you need to make? When you say make this decision, what is that decision?
Dibuyele enkonzweni, dibuyele mna.
Okay, can you consider khayuyeke inkonzo? Uti and look at God.
Yeah.
Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Do you know God well?
No.
So I would say dial it back. Yeke kwa nkonzo. And get maybe to a point of whereby you think about, okay, now I know God, right? And do I believe in God or not? Number one, right? Do I believe God exists? Yes, I believe God exists. Okay. Do I believe God created me? Yes. Okay, cool. Higher being. Okay, cool. What is my relationship with that? How do I think that all works? You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, you then start exploring that relationship, right? If it's a relationship that you want to explore, then you start exploring that relationship. Mm-hmm. And what that relationship will do, just like a relationship with other human beings that we have.
Yeah.
It's you, I care about you, you care about me, I get to know you better, you get to know me better, I get to do things and try things that I wouldn't have ordinarily tried. Some of them I find that I really, really enjoy them, and they help me because they are helping me to do what? To get a closer relationship with you. Mm-hmm. That's why as people, we go out on dates and we go lunch and then we go bowling and we do all of those things. That's how a relationship is built. Then all of a sudden, bukeli bola. Because we discovered uyayithanda ibola. And you understand? I think it works in exactly the same way. To say, Uguti, that the decision is not for going to church or not, because that's still not you. That's still other people. Nezifisos zethu. Such a Zulu word. Iminqweno yethu.
Yeah.
Right? Still running away from the fact, but lo ufila njani ngalo mntu? Ewe siyakuva ne? Ba awufuni uya e-stadium. Umuntu wakho uthanda ibhola. Siyakuva ba awufuni e-stadium. It's fine. Uthini awuthethi into ngalo mntu? Uthini uyamfuna yena lo mntu? Into yenza ujibirika kuye e-stadium, hayi sana e-stadium awufuni ukuya, ufuna ufeeling ngathi ufune kuye e-stadium. that's completely like it's that's a distraction on its own. You know what I mean? I feel like that on its own is a distraction because you're like, I'm looking here, but somehow kubekwe ispili apha and uyibona lento wena ubona lento ilapha. And that's a distraction on its own, simply because the same thing ekuphileyo has not been addressed. It being a personal decision and choice on okay, sharp. Ndifila njani ngoThixo actually. Thixo, ndifila njani ngawe. And exploring that still hasn't been explored.
Yeah.
And which is the danger, because to exactly your point, a lot of things are distractions. And they are distracting us from, well, according to my beliefs, they are distracting us from really looking at this relationship. And we never do. And we never do. And up until we do, that's when things will start either making sense or not making sense. Where you do something not because I'll always liken it, I think, to the relationship thing. But and because I can't wait your Monday. You understand? Because that's what makes this household work.
Yeah.
That's part of what the part that I pull in this relationship. It's part of my effort. I don't feel like it at all. And rent like ever. Right?
No one does it.
And no, but abantu bekusuta if anifuna ubhadala irent man ningakhuphi imali, and then people are gonna judge me. It's fine.
It's fine.
Just ngizawugxothwa ngoku if andibhadala irent. So then it becomes like that. But it's a very big you thing. It's that's the thing. And I think the trick is ibasi smoke screen. Ibasi smoke screen that traps us. And we remain trapped, and we want to feel a certain way, and we want, certain things, and we don't see what the bigger play is.
Yeah.
We don't see what the bigger play is. Going to church, that's the smaller play.
True.
That's the smaller play. The bigger play becomes that personal relationship. That becomes it. Because in the same church, it's still in the same church you're gonna get people abazok distractor. In the same church you're gonna get people abangazok distractor that are gonna help you. Xa ungajonganga loo nto asoze uyibone because aba bangazok distractor abakho cool or whatever, or wow, hey andizokwazi ke ngokuthuka xa ndihleli nobani and mengabikho ready for uye kuthuka. Like I'm use a silly example like that, you know what I mean? Or wow, ubani hey mfondini ndizawufika ngoku ndinuka ibhiya kwathi small distractions, and I started seeing it like that. The other distractions are just that. They're distractions to take your eye off the bigger thing. And the thing that is gonna really like change your life completely. Change your life completely, Nangam. Which is why, like, in the beginning of this episode, I was also just like, yo, Nangam, it's like, and sometimes it's you that's standing in front of your own things, because we do that, because we don't rate ourselves, we don't believe in ourselves, this, that, what we actually, we hate ourselves, like we do, you know what I mean? So iba into enjalo, I mean, and that's how I've read it, because nyani ezinye izinto it's about understanding them yourself, and really putting in the effort of understanding them yourself. What is this actually, and getting down to umcongezansi about what's the crux of this thing. And that's where you find the truth, and that's where you sometimes find the painful truth. That's where you find the painful truth, and you're just like, yo, Mchana, yeah, ne, I really don't want to. I'm doing everything possible to wreck my life, actually. And because and why? Because I'm entitled. Then one day you wake up and you realize, but I'm actually entitled. That's so wild.
Yeah.
That is so wild. I'm out here saying, but hey, ntoni abantu ndizawudlula ebantwini mhlambi abalambayo esitratweni abantu abatheni but I'm wrecking my life xa ndiyireka bhetere ireka smart and that then becomes that's the danger and leno nto I often disagree so much abantu bathi how Satan sure bras ukhona uSathana but then there's us also
Yeah, we also play a
zethu
part.
zimbi and inhliziyo zethu azikhombi only like sometimes towards other people towards ourselves bro.
Yeah.
Towards ourselves because iqala apha kuwe you can't be ugly to another person ube ulungile to yourself it's impossible ayikho possible loo nto leyo your brain your body your mind won't allow for that to happen sizikhohlakalele thina qha smart clean khohlakele nuka kamandi thetha kamandi urelaxile but like the real war in your head no one can see and sometimes including you which makes it really, really, really tricky. So, but for me, it's about Nyan. I feel like there's a lot of distractions that distract us from taste and see for yourself. Go see for yourself. Sitandu vangondiva. Which is so weird because everything in life is vel. Uzakuxelela bathalita. Into ethile no uthi ndifuna uzivela but uThixo asifuna uzivela at all. And that for me is the one thing that's also just like, why?
I think also just because of how, depending on how you grew up, but how he's been explained to you and how you've
100%.
You've made this image of this being in your head. Then you go, well, I've been told about unjani lo mntu all my life.
Yeah.
So I don't need your bandis vele because ndiyayazi ba unje.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then come explain about lungile, then why would you want to move away from that? Then.
Because you haven't made your own decision.
Yes, but what I'm saying is if this thing is so good, explain why would you want to move away from it then?
Maybe it hasn't been explained in a way that speaks to you personally.
You need to personally.
No,
get to
100%.
Yeah, it's absolutely your job. Because I mean, sikhule kusithiwa hayi intsango ubutywala sifuna usivela. Izinto ekuthiwa zirongo. Izinto ekuthiwa wo ngaze. I mean, yathi ndikhula mna itime esithi mna nam ndiyayibona yonke into ungaze utshaye. Datini?
Why is that?
Datshaye. Are you joking? Like, that is so wild. Da cheka disini moka na enji minyaka. Iminyaka. Ya moka na nayo. Dimane ngoti hey time ake yayithetha le. What? Sinjani nakandi guys?
Asiko right.
Bro, like we just insisting on the most difficult way around things. Always want to take ndlela inzima.
Masibepa.
Hayi guys, iyafuna sometimes nento ikihlala ijongwe logically ke ngoku sizithatha feelings sizikhuphele one side. Uthi okay sharp. Of all the things endikhule kusithiwa mandizenze seziphi endizenzileyo and how has it worked out? Ezi kuthiwe mandingazenzi zeziphi endizenzileyo and how has that worked? Like kesihlale sibe critical man, sibe andithandi mna laa nto mna sibe soft to ourselves. But obviously there's a balance point for everything. And nyan, it's your ass is better, bra. Your ass is better. Oh, that's better. Oh.
I just want us to get into the board before we get out of here. Change is made of choices, and choices are made of character. Afuna uchinja ngenza choice.
You know, xa kuthethwa nge-maths lit, kuthethwa ngalela word sums. I hate the maths kum. Change is made of choices. Yes, when you make choices, that's where change comes from.
Yes.
Sharp. Choices are made of character.
So the choice that you do make is made out of the character that you have created for yourself.
Don't your choices make your character? Isn't your character some of your choices?
Choices are made of character. Don't your choices make your character?
Yes. Choices are made of character, so character makes choices. That's what this is saying.
Yes.
I'm saying is it not the other way around? Isn't your character made by your choices?
But your character also affects the choices that you make.
But the choices that you make don't speak to your character.
They speak to your character, but they don't make your character.
What makes your character?
Your
Kizenzo. Your acts make your character.
your acts. So funeka wenze into for umuntu abone i-character yakho.
When your acts are...
So i-character yakho ayibonwa outside of your acts.
But
Ikhona though, right?
But ayibona njani?
But ikhona.
Asiyazi. Na character. Cube, we've got character.
Hayi over to you ke bahlali. Please let us know what you understand of this. Usibonile sizama uyichuba. Ayaqhubeka ncam. But I appreciate that as well.
Sure.
Let us know ba ithetha ntoni kuwe lento. I just want to say also thank you for being gentle with me in this moment. This is obviously not something I speak about at all, and now the whole country knows.
Was that me being gentle?
Yes. You've never been accused of that before.
Thank you. Thanks, bro. Thanks for opening up. You know, it's not easy. It's not easy because you essentially, by opening up and asking questions, you're also putting a duty on yourself. Do something.
Of course.
I'm glad you're intentional about it, though. I'm certainly stoked you're intentional about it. And I guess next episode,
Don't you?
I just spoke against that. But guess it's nonetheless.
Thanks. And yeah, maybe the question shouldn't be as you explained it so very well. Because ultimately that's an act. Does that act show your character? Necessarily. But ultimately the important thing is the relationship that you have.
Yeah. Where are you with that? What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Siyeke yonke le nto yiyo, masiyeke yonke le nto. Nanotaka xa sibeka imali ecaleni ukuthi kunale mali uyibeke ecaleni. Money aside. Money aside. Whoa, ngeke sithethe nange-tithing ngenye imini.
Enkosi ngobukela guys. Zuko starting a new show, so thetha nge-tithing nento njalo. We'll see you guys again next week, and anything else?
Yeah, you know the story. Love it. Sizama into entsha guys, please give me chance. It can need itini cha. Don't say anything. Itini
Kanye tini
cha. Sanukuthi hayi ningaphinde niyenze lento. Where do you think you are?
Bye guys.